Green Hydrogen Systems and GeoPura have embarked on a joint mission, working together on decarbonising power generation through green hydrogen. A couple of years back, our two companies discovered an opportunity to offer the markets a powerful combination of our two product offerings, allowing renewable energy storage to become mobile off-grid applications.
Green Hydrogen Systems wants to be the world champion in producing electrolysers. However, electrolysers needs to be integrated into complete hydrogen production sites. And here GeoPura comes into play.
GeoPura produces hydrogen to use in hydrogen-fueled electricity generators. And we do that because at the moment, where people need electricity but there isn't enough available, or maybe the grid isn't available at all, they often use diesel generators, large industrial diesel generators. They're also used on construction sites, TV filming, things of that sort.
So anywhere today you might use a diesel generator, what we're offering is don't use a diesel generator with all the emissions that are associated with diesel. Instead, use a hydrogen power unit that's zero emission, and you can have off-grid temporary and backup power when and where you need it, using GeoPura's green hydrogen, and it's zero emission.
Hydrogen power units are really popular with a whole range of organisations. So we've just provided power to the DP World Tour Golf at Wentworth. So all the live transmission for the whole event was powered by hydrogen. First time in the world that has happened. But lots of other customers. So Balfour Beatty are a major construction company. They use our units at various construction sites. The Ministry of Defence are using our units for electric vehicle charging. We have the BBC for their live transmissions of certain programmes. And it's not just no carbon emissions, there's much better air quality, there's less noise. They're very reliable, so people really like them, and we've got to build more and more with our partner Siemens Energy, who are manufacturing to GeoPura's design. If there is something that people are concerned about, it's obviously people need to be careful about costs. And the cost of hydrogen, the cost of the fuel itself, is something that we're constantly wanting to improve, to bring down the price so more and more people can afford it as their normal way of operating.
Now, those hydrogen power units require fueling. They need hydrogen fuel to turn into electricity for our customers. And we work with GHS to provide the electrolysers that generate the hydrogen that our hydrogen power units use. Green Hydrogen Systems have been fantastic to work with. The people there are expert and skilled, and their responsiveness is fantastic.
GeoPura and Green Hydrogen Systems are two exciting companies in a very exciting time in their development and scaling. Since 2007, Green Hydrogen Systems has been developing our pressurized alkaline electrolyzer technology. We now deliver our plug-and-play A-series product to the market, and we are also testing our X-series for large-scale production of hydrogen.
GeoPura doesn't exist as a company unless we have hydrogen to actually fuel our equipment. So working with GHS to commission more and more electrolysers that produce the hydrogen is incredibly important to us.
Strong partnerships with companies that are delivering complete hydrogen production units like GeoPura are super important for Green Hydrogen Systems to get to market and thereby make a difference in the green energy transition.
It's clear to our companies that this is only the very beginning of a long journey, and we have a clear commitment together to continue the deployment of our competitive product offering across the entire UK and onwards to Europe.